Hello there. The weather this weekend continues to change. We're losing that extreme heat and humidity. There's been quite a lot of cloud around so far. And as we go through the week ahead, the changeable theme will continue. Most of the rain out to the north and west, the driest of the weather further south and east. But for most of us, it will be largely fresher than it has been of late. Now, in terms of the rainfall, if you take a look at rainfall accumulation, anywhere that's darker blue or green, that's where we'll see the heaviest of the rain. So we're going to see widely 70 millimetres plus in Scotland and Northern Ireland. A little bit of light patchy rain across central and eastern areas, but nowhere near enough for gardeners and growers. So as we move into Sunday, got this little ridge of high pressure keeping things fine across England and Wales, all about low out to the northwest. That's going to introduce strengthening winds, gusts in excess of 40 miles an hour for a time, and the rain will turn quite heavy by the end of the afternoon. Elsewhere, we will be chasing cloud amounts around, but the best of any brightness again likely to be in the south and east, but temperatures again down on where they have been, ranging from 15 to 18 in the north, perhaps as high as 73 Fahrenheit in the southeast. Moving into the early hours of Monday morning sees one pulse of wet weather pushing across northern England, stretching up into Scotland, another pulse waiting in the wings for Monday morning. Generally, those temperatures will sit into double digits first thing on Monday. So Monday will start off with some sunshine, and with the southwesterly wind, it's going to start to feel quite humid once again. At the same time, the rain will turn quite heavy through Northern Ireland and Western Scotland, so we could see some impacts from that rainfall now and the blustery winds as well. But with that heat and humidity, temperatures once again across East Anglia, Southeast England could be as high as 26 or 27 degrees, 80 Fahrenheit, but it will continue to be fresher out to the north and the west. Now, that weather front will bring some showery outbreaks of rain south and east on Tuesday. It's going to weaken all the time, so how much rain we see across southeast England is subject to question, and probably not enough to keep gardeners happy. But there will be some welcome rain on Tuesday. Behind it brightening up, another area of low pressure sits out to the northwest, feeding in showers through Northern Ireland and northwest of the Great Glen in particular. Here again, 15 to 19 Celsius, but we could get 25, 77 degrees once again in parts of the East Midlands and East Anglia. Into Wednesday, we keep that drier theme across England and Wales. Still that low, feeding in a rash of showers further north and west, with some blustery winds circulating around the centre of low pressure. And once again, those temperatures generally between 15 and 23 Celsius. Now, looking further ahead, if we take a look at what the jet stream is doing, we are pretty much centred slam bang underneath the jet stream. It does drift that little bit further south. So with this westerly flow driving in areas of low pressure, that changeable theme is set to continue. But it looks likely that low pressures really sit up to the north, and from time to time the Azores high tries to build into the south, which means that it's the likelihood that the driest, the brightest and the warmest of the weather is likely to be across central and southern parts of England and possibly Wales. Further north and west, we continue to see some rain, some of it heavy from time to time. We will, of course, update you. Take care.